The splendor of the maple leaf, a symbol through seasons. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's as beautiful as it is symbolic: maple leaf. This iconic emblem of nature is not only a wonder to look at but also holds a significant place in culture and expression. So let's unfold the layers of meaning behind the maple leaf. The maple leaf is the foliage of the maple tree, known scientifically as the genus Acer. There are many different species of maple trees, but they all share the common feature of their distinct leaf shape. The leaf is palmate, meaning it resembles an open hand with outstretched fingers, and it usually has 5 lobes. Throughout history and across cultures, the maple leaf has been a symbol of strength and endurance. In Canada, the maple leaf is even more significant. It's a national symbol, prominently displayed on the flag, and represents unity, tolerance, and peace. In English, the maple leaf often represents the fall season, as this is when the leaves turn vivid colors and fall from the trees. The phrase, maple leaf, is used in literature and songs to evoke feelings of nostalgia, change, and nature's cycles. There are several idioms and expressions that feature the maple leaf. For example, to be under the maple leaf can mean to be in Canada or under Canadian governance. These expressions are rich with meaning and are part of the colorful tapestry of the English language. And there you have it, a glimpse into the rich world behind the phrase, maple leaf. It's a simple phrase with deep roots and broad branches, reaching into many aspects of language and culture. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the maple leaf and that you'll carry its symbolic beauty with you. See you next time.